Okay, now back to the puzzle. And I did a quick count, and out of the 500-piece puzzle, there's about 20 pieces left. So, although it's been slow for this section, it's nearly finished. Surprisingly, taking breaks can sometimes make it a little easier. Now you just stop and see better what you're working with. Also, the point where it's easier to see by shape what pieces could fit. What piece it's been slotched. Because see here, it's more of a vertical piece, whereas here it's more of a horizontal piece. So I know. This one was a little confusing because it looks like there's a post and a black line going up to the next piece, but it doesn't. It stops just before it. There's 10 pieces left to go. Nine pieces. 8 pieces. It's surprising how fast it gets at this point, because there's a lot of clues as to what fits where. Six left. Five left. 4 left. 3 in this area. Just move these over here. Two left. And the last piece. Got. I'll press this down. There you go. Finished puzzle. 500 pieces. Double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that right? Turn off the light for a second. No, that's too dark. Okay. So the glare is making it hard to see clearly. 2, 3, 4, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20. Down, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 across. And 20 by 25 works out to exactly 500. Now the box shows this compact puzzler tray system, which you can see by the size of the tray would be about this part for the middle section, and then maybe a little bit over here, you know, not much more than maybe a box width on each side. So, and that would probably be too small to really be able to sort through your pieces properly. You know, as you can see, when I laid it out, I did about 3 times the size of the puzzle to do it. 3 times the size of the space for the puzzle. So I could see this being a problem, you know, somebody trying to use this. Also, the company that makes this, the logo is Sherlock's, but the company on the side is a Canadian group, the Canadian group. And I don't know if you can make that out. The light glares possible. I don't know. No, not gonna work. I gotta bring it up. Anyways, it says 2000 copyright 2011 Alamy. So the puzzle was made in 2011, and apparently it's part of a series that was designed to work with this compact puzzler tray. See, the big downside, of course, is the tray is that it would only work with these compact puzzles. It wouldn't work with a regular Jigsaw puzzle. Now, the company does now manufacture rolling trays, like basically they're just mats that you roll up the puzzle on to store it. And it also gives you workspace. But I think they no longer manufacture these things or the compact puzzles. And I think they just didn't work out. The problem is they probably had problems with people buying the thing, thinking they could use it for the regular Jigsaw puzzles, and discovering it was just too small for a regular Jigsaw puzzle. Now, what I found worked well is this piece of cardboard. You could take, the side of a cereal box and use that as a tray. Just cut out a square, and if you do a couple of them or a few of them, it gives you more space to lay the puzzle. You could lay very different pieces on, use them as multiple different trays. And the nice thing is you can just slide them onto the puzzle. Now, although the copyright is 2011, I probably bought it sometime after that period. It's likely it was a clearance item. The company has stopped producing these compact puzzler systems, and so they just sold off the Jigsaw puzzles to a dollar store. Actually, like on the screen, this actually looks better than it does in person, because it's really just a photograph. But the light that's from the way the light hits it, it looks more like a painting. Okay, so there you have it, the compact puzzle of Panmure Island PEI. And that's going to end things today. In all, it took me about 3 days, but not all day, so it'll take me a while to work out exactly how long it took to put it together. And hopefully I'm not necessarily going to do Jigsaw puzzles every time. Most will be a review, and I'll probably have something that I was going to review that I'll probably post before posting this series. It's also going to take me a while to work out the cameras, camera settings to get the best picture. Most webcams are set up for face images, but I'm trying to use it to display objects. So that's it for now.